Welcome to the Total channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. In this video, we compare the Toyota Mark X to the Mazda Atenza to determine which car comes out on top. From performance and features to design and pricing, we delve into every aspect to help you decide which one suits your needs better. Watch till the end to find out which of these two popular cars emerges as the better choice. Stay tuned for an in-depth comparison of the Toyota Mark X and the Mazda Atenza. Which one do you think will win the battle of these two impressive vehicles? Let's find out together. Hey car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of mid-size sedans to compare two long-time rivals, the Toyota Mark X and the Mazda Atenza. These two vehicles are well known in the market for their reliability, performance, and overall appeal. The Toyota Mark X and Mazda Atenza have built quite a reputation for themselves over the years. Now, the real challenge lies in choosing between these two exceptional cars. With their similar features and pricing, it can be a tough decision for buyers to make. Let's break down the differences to help you make an informed choice. Let's start with the design. The Toyota Mark X boasts a sleek and modern exterior, while the Mazda Atenza offers a more sporty and aggressive look. In terms of performance, the Mark X excels in fuel efficiency, while the Atenza shines in handling and agility. Moving on to technology, both cars come equipped with advanced infotainment systems and driver assist features, but the Atenza stands out with its intuitive interface. When it comes to safety, both models prioritize the well-being of passengers with a range of cutting-edge features. As for pricing, the Mark X tends to be more budget-friendly compared to the Atenza. The Toyota Mark X focuses on practicality and efficiency, making it a great choice for daily commuting. On the other hand, the Mazda Atenza offers a more engaging driving experience with its nimble handling and responsive steering. In terms of comfort, the Mark X provides a smooth and comfortable ride, ideal for long journeys. Meanwhile, the Atenza offers a more dynamic driving feel, perfect for those who enjoy spirited driving. After considering all the aspects like design, performance, the technology, safety features, and pricing, it's clear that both the Toyota Mark X and Mazda Atenza have their own strengths. However, based on the criteria presented, the winner of this comparison is. Which car do you prefer, the Toyota Mark X or the Mazda Atenza? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting car comparison videos. Thanks for watching.